Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of eco-friendly wooden craft masterpieces ideas by transforming wood waste and nature finds into eco-friendly art that changes lives. So watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Transforming wood scraps and nature finds into eco-friendly craft masterpieces is more than a creative practice. It is a heartfelt movement toward meaningful, sustainable living that bridges artistry, purpose, and environmental consciousness. In a world overflowing with mass production and disposable goods, this craft revolution invites us to pause and reimagine the overlooked. Every piece of scrap wood, every fallen branch, every fragment of bark or leaf carries within it the potential for transformation. These remnants of nature, often dismissed as waste, can be reborn into something of value, something that enriches both our homes and our hearts. Through this process, crafting ceases to be a hobby, it becomes a philosophy, a way of life rooted in respect for the planet and in the belief that beauty can emerge from simplicity. It reminds us that sustainability and creativity are not separate pursuits, but harmonious forces that together can reshape how we live, design, and connect with the world around us. When we take what nature freely offers, scraps of wood from old projects, fallen twigs, or pieces of bark left behind after a storm, and turn them into art, we participate in an act of renewal. It is a quiet rebellion against waste, an affirmation that nothing in nature is truly disposable. Each creation becomes a statement of appreciation and awareness, a symbol of how human ingenuity can work with rather than against the natural world. The crafts that emerge from this mindful process, whether intricate wall decor, handcrafted furniture, or delicate ornaments, carry more than aesthetic value. They tell a story of transformation. Every groove, grain, and texture bears witness to the passage of time and the wisdom of the earth, while every touch of the artisan's hand brings new life and purpose. This is the essence of eco-friendly artistry, not just crafting for beauty's sake, but creating with intention, mindfulness, and gratitude for the resources that sustain us. For those who are passionate about woodworking, crafting from scraps is also a deeply empowering practice. It challenges the traditional notions of perfection in design and encourages the maker to see possibility in imperfection. A knot in the wood becomes a focal point, a jagged edge becomes a signature of authenticity. The process requires imagination, adaptability, and patience, qualities that lie at the heart of true craftsmanship. In this way, working with discarded materials cultivates not only artistic skill but also character. It invites makers to slow down, to work with their hands and hearts, and to rediscover the meditative rhythm of creation. The resulting pieces, whether rustic candle holders, sculptural wall hangings, or minimalist furniture, embody the soul of both nature and maker, becoming heirlooms of sustainability and symbols of thoughtful living. But the beauty of transforming wood scraps and nature finds doesn't end with creativity. It extends into the realm of opportunity. For aspiring entrepreneurs and eco-conscious artisans, this practice offers a pathway to financial freedom that is both ethical and rewarding. The growing global appreciation for handmade, sustainable products has created a vibrant market for crafts that tell stories of renewal and care. Consumers today seek authenticity. They want pieces that feel personal, purposeful, and kind to the planet. By crafting from reclaimed wood and natural materials, makers can offer products that satisfy this demand while reducing environmental impact. A small home workshop, a few hand tools, and a vision for eco-artistry can blossom into a thriving business built on values of sustainability and creativity. Each item sold is not merely a product but an experience, a tangible reminder that living sustainably can also be stylish, meaningful, and profitable. Through online platforms, local markets, and community collaborations, artisans can share their creations with the world, inspiring others to embrace a lifestyle rooted in craftsmanship and conscience. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, this movement toward eco-friendly craft design reflects a deeper cultural shift in how we view success and fulfillment. In the past, progress was often measured by consumption. The more we owned, the richer we seemed. Today, as awareness of environmental issues grows, success is increasingly defined by intention, by how thoughtfully we live, how responsibly we create, and how harmoniously we coexist with nature. Crafting from wood scraps and natural materials embodies this philosophy perfectly. It teaches that value doesn't come from abundance but from awareness, that the most beautiful homes are not filled with expensive, mass-produced decor, but with objects that tell stories of care, effort, and sustainability. Each crafted piece becomes a quiet reminder of what truly matters: creativity over consumption, meaning over materialism, and respect over exploitation. In this way, eco-friendly crafting transforms not only spaces but also mindsets, inviting individuals to live more intentionally and appreciate the beauty in what already exists around them. The process itself becomes a source of personal transformation. When we craft with nature, we slow down. We begin to notice details: the way wood grain swirls like a fingerprint, the texture of bark under our fingertips, the scent of sawdust and earth mingling in the air. This mindful engagement reconnects us to the rhythm of the natural world, which modern life often drowns out. It cultivates gratitude and wonder, reminding us that we are part of something much larger and older than ourselves. For many, crafting becomes a form of therapy, a way to relieve stress, express creativity, and rediscover a sense of purpose. It is a dialogue between human hands and natural material, one that brings balance and joy to both the creator and the creation. The satisfaction of seeing a finished piece, something born from discarded fragments, instills a profound sense of accomplishment and hope. It proves that transformation is possible not only in art but in life itself. And as more people embrace this craft movement, the impact ripples outward. Homes become sanctuaries of sustainability, filled with decor that reflects mindfulness and originality. Communities grow stronger as artisans share knowledge, collaborate, and inspire one another to create with conscience. Even small acts of crafting, turning a scrap of wood into a piece of art, a fallen branch into a lamp, or reclaimed planks into furniture, collectively contribute to a global shift toward responsible living. What begins as an individual creative pursuit becomes part of a broader environmental effort, proving that change does not always require grand gestures. Sometimes it begins with a single handmade piece created with care. Through creativity, awareness, and collaboration, the world of eco-friendly crafts is not only transforming homes but healing the planet, one beautiful object at a time. Ultimately, transforming wood scraps and nature finds into eco-friendly masterpieces is about more than design. It is about connection, consciousness, and contribution. It invites us to see art not just as decoration but as a dialogue with the earth. It urges us to take responsibility for the materials we use and to celebrate the ingenuity that allows us to turn waste into wonder. It calls on both makers and dreamers to recognize that creativity can be a force for good, that it can generate income, inspire communities, and protect the planet simultaneously. Each handmade piece becomes a reflection of a greater truth, that when we align our artistry with our values, when we let sustainability guide our craft, we create more than beauty, we create meaning. This is not just a craft movement. It is a call to action for all who believe that art should serve life and the planet equally. To craft from nature's gifts is to participate in a cycle of renewal, where nothing is wasted and everything has purpose. It is an invitation to build a home, a business, and a lifestyle that reflect artistry, responsibility, and love for the world that sustains us. So let the wood scraps at your feet, the branches in your yard, and the fallen leaves along your path become your inspiration. Start today, because every piece you create is not only a step toward personal creativity and income, but also a contribution to a more mindful, eco-conscious, and beautiful world. Well, dear viewers, there you have them, our hand-picked eco-friendly wooden craft masterpieces ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.